Hello everybody, Lance here. So after the last video came out back in January or maybe February, I wasn't able to produce videos anymore because my assistant quit and I had to spend a lot more time on management and less time on practicing English and making videos. By the time things get back to normal, Blender 2.8 was already making a lot of noises, and that will make 2.79 outdated real quick. So there is no point making tutorials for the current version anymore. And so I've been waiting for Blender 2.8 ever since. Now that the beta is about to come out, I think it is time to restart the tutorials. I'm gonna start over from the beginning, but this time it'll be Blender 2.8. So let's go ahead and go to blender.org to go to the download page and scroll all the way down to the test build and download yourself a copy of Blender 2.8. Once you download it, just unzip it and run blender.exe. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video, which is the first Blender 2.8 tutorial.